video walkthrough will show you how to manage and administer bulk requests using the WorkPro platform. So logging into the platform, the first thing that you need to do as an administrator in order to use the bulk requesting function is to set up packages. If you don't set up packages, you won't be able to use the bulk requesting function. So the bulk requesting function is a way for you to really drive efficiency in your organisation. So rather than sending individual requests to each candidate, you'll be able to send a single package request to a whole bunch of candidates at once. So in setting up your packages, which is also included in one of our other video walkthroughs, by selecting packages, you'll click create, you'll name your package, and then coming over here to the left-hand side, you'll dictate which tasks make up the package. And once you've done that, you then click Save. You can create unlimited number of packages in WorkPro, and once you've created these packages, this is where you can manage and edit any of these packages that you have available. So once you've done that, there's a couple of ways that you can send a bulk request. So you may have, a handful of candidates that you would like to send a bulk request to. So selecting request and bulk request, continue, and there's a couple of options. Enter details manually. So you'll drop this down, and if you have multiple sites that you manage inside WorkPro, you'll choose the requesting site. You'll enter the candidate's name, their email address, select the package that you need to send, add candidate, and you keep going along this way. Once you've got your list in order, and you can send each of these candidates a different package, by the way, you then select Send Request. Once the request has been sent, the candidate receives their invitation via email, and also the information will be stored under Track Requests so that you can see who's been sent a request and what remains outstanding and what requests have been actioned. The other way that you can send a bulk request inside WorkPro is through a CSV file. So outside of the WorkPro environment, you open up a new CSV file, and you have two columns. And in one column, you head it name, and the second column, email, and you're entering the name in one column, the person's full name in one column, no spaces, with spaces in between their first and their surname, and then their email address in the second column. Once you've saved your CSV file, you log in here, you select the package that you'd like that file to be sent to, dropping down and selecting the requesting site, selecting your file, and sending the request. So hundreds of candidates can be sent a WorkPro request in a few minutes. All of those candidates will receive the same instruction. Each of those requests will contain a unique single-use token. Once you've sent the request, that request will also be stored under Track Requests so that you can see what requests have been sent and what has been actioned and what remains outstanding. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.